Today we have wild animals and some farm animals. Let's learn their names one by one. Do you want to learn their names and their fun facts? Let's start. The first animal is alligator. Alligator is a wild animal. Alligator lives in the water and sometimes in the land. A peacock. A peacock is a farm animal. A peacock is a very beautiful animal. This is a peacock. A rhino. This is a rhinoceros. A zebra. This is a zebra. A zebra is a wild animal. This is a zebra. Elephant is a very big animal. This is a wild animal. A leopard. This is a leopard. A hippopotamus. This is a hippo.